So that's the new top, just like that. This is a whole bunch of 2x4s. They were the 8-footers. These are the prime studs. And Hardware Store is really kind. They cut them in half for me. They had a bin for these guys, pre-cut to 4 foot, but they were completely out. So I just grabbed some and we had them cut in half. This is ridiculously wide though, so I think I'm gonna go back on where I was. Because this has served me adequately for a long time. And we're only 16. So if we trim this back to maybe 20. It needs to be 4 foot though, because when you're ripping something down, you need 4 feet. Because everything is 48 inches anymore. And we're right on 4 feet. So that's perfect. So I may take one more slice out, which means I spent $10 too much, but that's okay. It'll go to the wood pile. We'll probably use it somewhere. I don't care. But the thing is, you just want to be able to get your clamp here when you're clamping something. So we're gonna make a go at this, and the rods will be there to compress the whole thing together. When it glues up, I gotta drill the holes. So we're gonna recess the bolts on the sides so they'll be sunk in so you won't see them, and then we'll cut off the rods and clean it all up. So that's it for now. We gotta get started.